got this in. I purchased it to see if I can actually reduce wind noise. I like to take pictures of, or actually videos, as sometimes as I'm driving, just to capture the landscape, because there's so much change, especially over here in New York City. There is so much change going on with new buildings coming up and old buildings coming down constantly. I'd like to actually capture that for history's sake. And the only issue is that I do these videos, but I hear the wind whenever I watch the videos. So I would like to see if I could reduce that wind noise, but keep the city noise. The city noise, I guess, as a New Yorker my whole life, it's sort of relaxing. I'm used to it. So I was looking for a way to do that. Now they sell an item, I forget what it's called, but you actually stick them onto the mic area. I think there's a mic here, there might be a mic over here somewhere, and a mic under here somewhere. So I don't want to really stick it on. I want to be able to put it on and take it off. So I ended up buying from Amazon for about $12 the Windslayer cover housing, made by, I can't pronounce his name. This one is MEKNIC. It's a 2-pack. So they're about $6 each. The link to them are below. I purchased this for myself to use for my own videos. So I'm a regular user and like to try different things, and these are one of the products I purchased to see if I could actually reduce the noise. So it came in this packaging in a lightweight plastic bag, and it's basically just spongy things. This is my GoPro 9, sorry. This is for the GoPro 9 with the max lens, and I'm hoping to, like I said, reduce the noise. So I'm gonna do a quick comparison. I'm just gonna put it on my vehicle, drive around, let you hear the noise, let you hear how it sounds, and then I'll put on the cushiony thing so that you can hear how it is with the wind reduction. Seems pretty easy to put on. I can't see it lasting a long time. I think eventually it will break. But just to see how it does with reducing the noise, curious about that, and I will do a comparison. So I'm going to do it first without this, and second with it, and you can decide for yourself. So let me see, how do you put this on? I'm gonna have to match that up the top. Okay, so it should be something as simple as just sliding it in. I thought of purchasing the actual official GoPro mod with the mic in the corner and everything, but I don't want to spend the $79 actually. That's my biggest issue. So it shouldn't be, all right. I think this also fits the, let me look, the GoPro Hero 10 also. This is supposed to be for the GoPro Hero 10. Easy access to the mounts underneath. Okay, perfect. Doesn't fit perfectly, but what are you gonna do? Well, let's try it out, see how it does. I'm hoping it works well. Nice. Now, most of the time when I have it mounted, the only thing I'm actually doing to this camera is changing out the battery, so I can get to it pretty easily. Okay. And we'll try it out. Let's go out, try it out, see how it works. Hopefully it will work well. I really want to reduce the noise to make it nicer sounding and just have the ambiance of the city, or just city noise. So let's go to my car. Wow, what a difference. I don't know if you could hear it. I hope that the video represents what I hear when I play back the original file. And what a difference with this thing on. I'm a little bit upset I lost the lens cap. I'm gonna have to buy another one. I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, it was a big difference. It was. And this is, like I said, it's a $6 device to lower the wind as much as it did. So in the video, I'm going up and down the same street. Very windy day. Same type of wind coming from both directions. Very, very windy. It was pretty incredible how much a reduction there was in the noise. Now, I understand that the one that you stick on, I forget what they're called. You stick them on the actual mic to stick on device that, you know, does a much better job than this supposedly in reducing the sound. I just didn't want to deal with that. I'd really dislike if I actually took this out of my bag and found that it was missing, that it unglued and I lost it somewhere and now I don't have it. This pretty much stays on the camera, will not go anywhere. It works well, and I believe it's cheaper. And it works pretty well. You know, it does a pretty good job. I am very satisfied. It is night and day between not having it and having it. Big difference between having it and not having it. Having it, the wind noise, the rumbling of the wind, gone. Without it, you hear all the wind noise. So I'm going to definitely be using this a lot more. Like I said, $6, not a bad price for what you get. I think you get 2 for $12, and links below. And I'm very, very satisfied with the actual Windslayer. Very, very satisfied. Pretty good. I am very, very impressed. I was having a big issue with that wind. I didn't like the way it was making my videos sound. I'm hoping this does so much. Well, for future videos, I'm hoping this does a great job, and I think it will. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
MEKNIC 2-pack windscreen Windslayer cover housing frame case for GoPro Hero 9 Hero 10 black foam wind noise reduction sponge video muffler housing windproof case accessories for audio recording. 06182022. Cost $12.99. About this item. Compatible models. This foam noise reduction is compatible with GoPro Hero 9 and Hero 10 black action camera only, designed for use with a frame or standalone camera for handheld shooting. While riding, the recording can hardly hear any wind. Lightweight and convenient, this windproof cover for GoPro Hero 910 is made of special sponge material, very soft, lightweight, portable and flexible. Does not add weight to your camera. It will not cause your machine to overheat, and it can also protect your machine from cold and lead to battery damage in winter. Full protection, provides some extra cushioning when the camera is hit. It protects the GoPro camera from shocks when traveling or exercising. Good stretch, easy to wear on and removal. Unlike other cheap sponges, this is not easy to tear up. It offers an extra cushion protection in case the camera gets banged around. Precise hole opening. The foam windshield housing case cover retains all the operation buttons. The precise hole position will not affect the video shooting effect, allowing you to easily obtain the shutter button and touch the back screen when recording video. It can effectively reduce noise. MEKNIC is easy for you, friendly, trusted. MEKNIC is committed to providing each customer with the highest standard of quality product and good service. And we are striving to keep developing our product list to bring you upgraded and optimized products. Enjoy your life, smiles, happy everyday. Foam cover. Noise reduction foam for GoPro Hero 910 black features. Material, sponge. Color, black. Suitable models: GoPro Hero 910 Black. Package include 2 PCS wind cover case for GoPro Hero 910 Black. Windslayer cover. Lightweight and convenient windscreen windshield Windslayer cover housing frame case. Made of special sponge material, very soft, lightweight, portable and flexible. Does not add weight to your camera. It will not cause your machine to overheat, and it can also protect your machine from cold and lead to battery damage in winter. Windshield Windslayer cover housing. Full protection Windslayer cover housing frame case. Provides some extra cushioning when the camera is hit. It protects the GoPro camera from shocks when traveling or exercising. Warm suggestion: you can use the windbreaker with the case. Of course, you can also use the camera alone. Windscreen Windshield Windslayer. Must-have kit for reducing noise for GoPro Hero 910. Reduce wind noise to enhance audio capture performance. Not only can it fit tightly, but it can also be easily stretched for easy removal. Protect your camera body from scratches, fingerprints, etc. Beautiful cuts make it easy to access all function ports and buttons, memory cards, lenses and more. The flexible sponge material package fits perfectly for GoPro Hero 910 Black, which is very soft, lightweight, easy to carry, flexible, easy to install and remove. Adapt to most scenes and sports, especially windy weather and strenuous exercise. Precision holes will not affect the video effect, but also improve the square hole directly supporting the side of the charger. Foam case.